I've tried affiliate marketing, I've tried dropshipping, I've tried all of these different things. And guess what? Nothing ever came close to selling digital products. Even when you are successful with dropshipping, I've spoken to very successful dropshippers. On average, they make between 5 to 20% profit. Do you hear that? 5 to 20% in profit. That's not a lot. It's very little. Like, honestly, do you think that's a lot? Let's do the math. You make $10,000 with digital products. Out of $10,000 you made, you would keep $9,500. Even if you have a team and fancy softwares, you would never go below 90% profit margins, which means that for every $10,000 you make, you keep $9,000. With dropshipping, it's a very different story. If you make $10,000, you'd be lucky to keep $500, that's 5% profit, all the way to $2,000 maximum, 20% profit. So you make $10,000 a month, wow, you're such a G. In reality, you make $1,000. Like seriously, you'd make more money working at McDonald's. So don't believe everything you see, especially online, especially about selling physical products, because profits are very small. You might be like, oh wow, you made $100,000 in a day, but then you learn it's 5% profit. Like sure, that'd be amazing, because it's $100,000 a day, it's huge numbers. But I mean, it is hard enough to get to $10,000 a month with physical products. So imagine $100,000 in one day with physical products, you would need a gigantic ad budget, which guess what? 99.9% of beginners simply don't have. So you're trying to win a game which is literally impossible to win. Wake the fuck up. And then again, you have to ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle do you want? Like, what's the reason you want to start this business? I mean, everybody that I knew, me included, they didn't start a dropshipping business because they were passionate about selling a flat squeeze mop or a Japanese hoodie with something written on it. You don't even know what it means. Like, seriously, the first product I ever sold with dropshipping, back when I was still a broke high school student, it was a flat squeeze mop. Like, seriously. We sold it for $50, and we lost all our money into Facebook ads. I say we because at the time I was doing it with somebody who was my friend, and it was a fucking nightmare. We'd get our ad accounts banned like God knows how many times. It wasn't fun. And the profits were so small, and the ads were eating up all our profit. Like, we made no money, we lost money. And the same exact thing happened to 99% of people who tried dropshipping. So ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle do you want? Do you want to be waking up in a beautiful setting, going for a walk on the beach with your partner, having a lovely, healthy breakfast, maybe even having a maid who does all the cleaning for you so you don't have to bother with all this shit? Then you go to the gym, then you record a few videos, and you're making digital product sales on autopilot all the time. Or would you rather have 5 to 20% in profit, and then you're spending all day answering customer complaints or customer emails? You wake up and every single day you're stressed beyond reason because you're wondering if your ad account hasn't been disabled yet again. And look, all the time that you spend trying to fix what's wrong in the business is time that you can't invest into making more money. Like, you can't grow the business if you're always focusing on fixing what broke down in the business. It's like you're trying to fill a bucket, but there's holes in the bottom of the bucket. Like, no matter how much water you pour in it, you're gonna just lose everything. You're never going to have a full bucket unless you plug the holes first. If you want to learn how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit online, selling digital products without a big budget and without an existing audience, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a 7-day free trial to my community and program where I'm gonna personally walk you through step by step the exact system I use. You can ask me questions directly. You'll know the exact digital product you need to pick before you launch, and I will personally review it as well. And the only 2 things you need to get your first sales ASAP. All of that before you even pay a single cent. The link is in the description below or in the pinned comment. It takes 30 seconds to sign up for free.